Most people think AI agents start by thinking. Wrong. First, they must notice something important. An AI agent can wake up from a user message, a webhook from another app, or even a timed cron job running automatically. That's why modern agents feel alive instead of passive. If your agent cannot detect events correctly, the entire automation chain fails before intelligence even begins. This diagram illustrates the four-stage agent lifecycle loop. Perceive, receives inputs via user text, webhooks, or cron jobs. Plan, analyzes goals and retrieves vector database long-term memories. Act, executes tasks by generating responses or invoking API tools. Evaluate, evaluates the tool outputs. If the goal is met, it delivers the final answer. If not, it loops back to iterate. Here's where AI agents become dangerous in a good way. Instead of instantly replying like normal chatbots, agents pause, analyze the goal, check memory, and decide the next action. Some frameworks use vector memory, others use task graphs, but the idea is the same: planning before acting. This single step is why AI agents can handle multi-step workflows, software tasks, and business automations far better than traditional chat systems. This is the moment that changes everything. AI agents don't just generate text, they open tools, call APIs, write code, search databases, and automate apps. Whether it's LangChain, AutoGen, CrewAI, or a custom Docker workflow, the real power comes from tool usage. The more useful tools an agent can safely access, the more valuable it becomes. Suddenly, AI stops being a chatbot and starts acting like a digital worker. The smartest AI agents are not the fastest, they're the ones that double-check themselves. After every action, agents evaluate results using API responses, tool outputs, and validation rules. Did the email send correctly? Did the database return the right data? If something fails, advanced agents retry or change strategy automatically. This evaluation loop is what separates reliable AI systems from chaotic automations that break after one small error. Here's the secret almost every AI framework shares: the loop never truly ends. Agents keep perceiving, planning, acting, and evaluating until the goal is complete. That's why modern AI systems feel smarter over time. They adapt during execution instead of following one fixed script. The future of AI isn't a single response. It's continuous autonomous loops that work alongside humans, tools, and real-world systems in real time. Don't miss future AI updates. Subscribe now.